Welcome back to Lux Life Golds, where we weave the threads of luxury and history into rich tapestries of storytelling. Today we are venturing through the awe-inspiring heights of Switzerland to unearth the legacy of Hotel Belvedere, an emblem of opulence encircled by the stunning beauty of the Furka Pass. Journey with us to the end as we reveal the resplendent past and the untold stories of this architectural marvel. Discover the elegance and mystery of Hotel Belvedere and subscribe for more enchanting tales of luxury. The story of Hotel Belvedere is intertwined with the swirling mists and timeless whispers of the Furka Pass, a symbiotic symphony that has resonated through the annals of time. Born from the visionaries of the bygone era, Hotel Belvedere was conceived not merely as an abode, but as a sanctuary where luxury met the ethereal beauty of nature. It stood as a majestic guardian of the Furka Pass, a beacon of elegance amidst the rugged charm of the Swiss Alps. In the early 1900s, as the world was on the brink of revolutions and discoveries, Hotel Belvedere opened its doors to a realm where time seemed to pause, where the eternal dance of the mountains and the skies played the backdrop to the tales of human endeavors and passions. The hotel has been a silent witness to the unfolding tapestry of history, its walls absorbing the echoes of the fervent discussions, the secret whispers, and the resonant laughter of its illustrious guests. From renowned artists seeking inspiration to dignitaries finding solace, Hotel Belvedere was a canvas painted with the vibrant strokes of human experiences. As the wheels of time turned, the once bustling corridors of Hotel Belvedere saw the world change, its grandeur standing as a monument to the golden epochs of the past. And it was the Furka Pass, with its serene beauty and whispering winds, that added an ethereal touch to the hotel's historic journey, enhancing its legacy as a sanctuary of luxury and beauty. Every corner, every room of Hotel Belvedere is imbued with an unspoken elegance, a silent symphony of luxury that unfolds in its meticulously crafted interiors and sumptuous amenities. It was more than a hotel. It was a canvas painted with the hues of refined taste and opulence. The vibrant echoes of the illustrious gatherings and the soft whispers of intimate conversations fill the air, making the hotel a living, breathing entity, a keeper of secrets and a weaver of memories, an epitome of timeless luxury. Beyond the majestic doors of Hotel Belvedere, the enigmatic Furka Pass unfolds like a visual symphony, its soaring peaks and whispering winds painting a tableau of serene beauty. Furka Pass is more than just a high mountain pass in the Swiss Alps. It is a journey through the essence of nature's splendor. Each turn unveils a new layer of the alpine mystique, where the towering mountains kiss the azure skies, and the whispering winds carry the tales of the valleys below. This geographical masterpiece, with its sinuous roads and panoramic views, is a living, breathing poem, where each curve is a verse, each peak a chorus echoing the timeless allure of the alpine magnificence. And it is this ethereal backdrop that enhanced the allure of Hotel Belvedere, making it a beacon for those seeking solace in the lap of luxury, ensconcing in the sublime embrace of nature. The majestic glacier, once a symbol of nature's eternal beauty, began its retreat, taking with it the soul of Hotel Belvedere. The walls that once resonated with the laughter and melodies of the evening became silent witnesses to the poignant dance of time and change. The hotel now stands as a poignant reminder of the transient nature of existence, its closed doors guarding the remnants of its illustrious past, and its empty halls echoing the symphony of bygone elegance. The whispers of resurgence are intertwined with the dreams of those who once found solace within its luxurious embrace. The fervent hope for the revival of Hotel Belvedere is a testament to its enduring charm and the indelible imprint it has left on the hearts of luxury aficionados. A renaissance of its icon would be a journey back in time, a chance to relive the elegance and the grandeur, a hope to once again lose oneself in the enchanting waltz of luxury and nature. Our odyssey through the realm of Hotel Belvedere has been a journey through time, a glimpse into the seamless blend of elegance and nature. The hotel, with its silent tales and whispered elegance, stands in anticipation, hoping to embrace the world once again. If the story of Hotel Belvedere and the Furka Pass has enchanted you, do like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to Lux Life Golds to embark on more journeys through the worlds of elegance and luxury. Until the next tale unfolds, may your days be woven with the threads of opulence and splendor.